Hello children, welcome to my channel Bright Head Kids. If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button for more videos. So coming down to the first point. Parrot is a colorful bird. It is commonly found in bright green color and has a black ring around its neck. Its beak is red, strong and hooked. It is famous for its talking ability. People do like to keep them at home as a pet. It can mimic any sound, especially human voice. Parrots can literally repeat the human conversation.
Good morning. Hello. Hey, hello. 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 Hi. Hi.
African grey parrot is the finest talker amongst all kinds of parrots. Unlike tame parrots, wild parrots can only give out loud and harsh screams. Parrots are generally kept inside a cage. We often can see parrot enjoying its swing in it. Cat is a great enemy of parrots, so a cage parrot must always be protected from cats. A cage parrot, once taken out, cannot fly much higher as it has lost the habit of flying for a longer period. Parrots are fond of guavas and green chilies. It also likes to eat grams, nuts, and insects. Thank you from Bright Head Kids team. We wish you to see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep watching and enjoy learning. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for more updates.